Hi, it's Joe from the Clever Car Collection, and today I'm pleased to be showing you around this 2016 Vauxhall Astra. It's got a really great spec, the 1.6-litre diesel engine, and it's done 78,500 miles. We'll take a good look round inside and out so that if you come to view it, you'll know exactly what you're seeing when you arrive. Here we are with the 2016 Vauxhall Astra. This car will be delivered to its new owner with a fresh MOT, a fresh service, and also a 3-month or 3,000 mile warranty. It's in really great condition. There's a few marks here or there, as you would expect with a car of this age. It's done just over 78,500 miles. So we'll just do a quick whiz round and then I'll point out some of those areas in a bit more detail so you know what you're coming to see. So starting back at the front then, nothing too bad at all on the bonnet here. As I've already said, fresh coat of polish today, and that's come up really nicely. And again, down to the headlights and the front grille, all in really good condition. There is a little parking ding down here that you can see. Coming round to the first tyre, the alloy here is in really good condition. And if I zoom in slightly there, there's a nice amount of tread left on the tyre too. Moving down the passenger side of the vehicle, again, a slight little knock there on the wing mirror, but it's all functioning correctly. And a bit more of a little parking ding down here. This alloy, it's in okay condition. You can see, sadly there's just a little bit of the coating has started to come away, but these tyres, again, really great tread depth left. Coming round to the back of the car, nothing really of note here, a couple of little knocks around the boot area, as you would expect. Around to the other rear tyre. Again, alloy in good condition, just a little bit there of that coating coming away, but apart from that, still looking pretty good. And again, plenty even of depth left in the tyre. Sadly, this car has obviously had a little knock at some stage, nothing too serious. In fact, trying to get an angle where you can see it, but there is a small little ding in the door there. Again, I would imagine opening the door onto something related. No marks around it though, and in fact the polish has meant that it's quite hard for me to show you. Again, driver's door, all very good. Wing mirror, and background to the last wheel. Again, alloy in good condition, with plenty of depth left on that tyre also. Okay, let's take a look inside. Start by showing you in the back. Electric windows all round, a nice clean interior, and also Isofix available on both the back seats there. Round to the boot space, a really good size boot on these Astras. They're nice and deep and a really good size. Okay, I'll jump in and start her up so that we can see the mileage and that there's no warning lights. So as you can see there, this model is also fitted with the rain sensing windscreen wipers and automatic headlights also controlled down there. Comes with cruise control, controlled on the steering wheel here, and quite an interactive centre display that you can have your navigation and digital speedometer and such like in the centre there. Also, there is a tyre pressure monitoring system here as well. We can see, if I take the handbrake off and put my seatbelt on, that the dash is nice and clear, there's no warning lights at all. And we can also see the mileage there, currently 78670. Also with this model, it comes with the 7-inch touchscreen. Again, a really nice system, offering Bluetooth phone connectivity. There is also a USB and an auxiliary jack tucked away down there. Full navigation package air conditioning, and then the stop start, lane keeping control, traction and sport buttons down there. So that's our look round of this Vauxhall Astra now complete. As I've already mentioned, this has got a great service record. In fact, I've just pulled the book out in front of me. This vehicle was first registered in June 2016. It had a main dealer service in November 2016, another main dealer in 17, 18 and 19, and then independent inspection and services in 2020, 21, 22 and 23. And as we've already said, before this car gets delivered to its new owner, we will put a fresh MOT on it, a new service, and also it will come with a 3-month or 3,000 mile warranty. I've been Joe from the Clever Car Collection. If you'd like to come and see it, please get in touch.